Hey guys, how's it going? So this is Morgan coming to you with a quick tech tip video, whatever you want to call it. I'm shooting this on my phone, so I apologize for any quality issues. I honestly just forgot to bring my camera. I'm out here at the shop. It's a Monday. I'm going riding with the boys, and I remembered that my son Ewan got a flat on his rear tire the last time we rode. And yeah, here we go. You can see he rode it like that for quite a while. Actually, it's funny. It happened when we got back to the truck, and he was doing laps on this little track that he made, and he was just hammering down on this thing. And anyway, pinched a tube, and then continued to hammer down on the track until everything was coming apart. So I could put a tube in it and we'd be good to go. I mean, honestly, on mini bikes, I usually don't run mousses, but I figured I'll show you guys what I'm going to try today. They don't really, Nitro doesn't make mousses this small. Some other companies do. Nitro doesn't make mousses for this size wheel, so I'm going to show you what we're going to do here. Yeah, I'm going to get this wheel off and I'll check back in and show you what we're doing. So we got the tire off, rim strips all ready to go, rim locks in place. Now, what are we going to do about a mousse since we don't really have one? Let me show you. It's actually a pretty cool situation. Boom. Right here, I have an old front mousse from one of my old tires. And it had gotten a little bit small for the fronts on my bike. So I always save them, always, because you never know when you're going to need like a cut a wedge or whatever. But now I think it's going to work really good in this. So I've actually never done this. I've advised people to do this a lot, but I've never done it. So I think it's going to work great. First, going to take a razor blade and we're just going to cut this thing. Boom. Now we got one long mousse, and to size it, we're just going to put it in here. All right, so now you can see, I don't know how well you can see that, but you can see where it ends right up in here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it again. I'm gonna cut it just a fuzz long, so it has to really shove in there tight. And then we'll check it out, and like I said, I might wrap a tube around it, but we'll see. There we go. Now, effectively, we have a mousse. Pretty good. It's a little small, so I'm going to cut his old tube up that's pinched, wrap it around there, and then lube this thing up, and we'll be good to go. And honestly, it's probably going to still be a little soft, but it'll be way better than the flat that he had, and probably give him really good traction. So tube's cut. This will actually help hold this mousse in shape too, which I think will be good. Boom, there we go. Mini mousse made. Gonna use Murphy's on this one. Not real concerned about the longevity of this because the kid needs a new tire anyway. I'll probably honestly go back to tubes after this, because I don't know how long this is going to hold up, but it's going to get us through the day and for the rest of this tire for sure. There we go. Mini mousse made. Feels pretty good. I don't know. It's kind of dropped off the bead here. Like I said, it's not really quite the right size, but it's going to be better than a flat, and it actually might be really, really good. And we've got a rim lock in it, so it's not going to spin. Yeah, we're going to go for a ride. I'll check in with you guys and let you know what he thinks about it. All right, guys, we're up here on the plateau. Ewan's running a mousse for the first time. What do you think, buddy?
Feels nothing different.
Nice. That's exactly what we were hoping. It looks good back there. I've been watching it. Looks good. Looks like you got air in it, and well, you know, it looks like it would have air in it, so yeah, it's good. Thomas, how are you?
Food.
We're having a great day. Conditions are perfect, guys. I'm going to sign this one off. We're just going to go ride. No video of this ride. I love you guys. I hope that you get out and spread the gospel of two wheels. And most importantly, we hope that you get out and ride your dirt bikes.